up? You already know I'm your girl Avis. Today I just received my package from Bestie Gang. So let's see what we have. Only thing I have did was cut the tape off. I haven't looked in. Oh, look at that. Okay, God forgive me. Oh my God, you guys, look at these lashes. Bestie Gang lashes. Oh, I'm gonna be stupid. You understand me? Look at these. Don't worry, you'll get the full detail on my YouTube channel. Oh baby. Okay, so I got my lashes. I got how my the tweezers to apply the lashes. And man, let me show you the inside of the box thing. First of all, I'm showing you all this. Let me show you the inside of the box thing. Yes, baby. Yes, packaging is amazing. It's completely beautiful. I have my shirt. I have my Bestie Gang cards, which will go into my business packages as well, so you guys can check her out as well. Okay, I'm back. Now, I'm not sure what this is, but I will find out once I open it. Let me show you my Bestie Gang shirt, because y'all gonna be jealous and hating on. Yes. It says, bye. Girl, you got me good, because I be telling these hoes, quit, bow, bye, bitch. But anyway, oh, I cannot wait to wear this. You understand me? Yes. And I don't know what this is, but we gonna find out. Look, it could be if it's a palette, I'm finna go stupid. Okay. Don't break it, Avis. Don't break it. Don't break it, bitch. Girls, I think it's a palette. Hold on. Hold. Hold man. These are so beautiful. Oh my, and this gold. So anyway, like I was saying, this gold is to die for, first of all. I mean, you could tell all the colors are very pigmented, but anybody know me, know gold. You see gold? I love me a good gold. And look at that gold, baby. Look at the palette. And guess what the palette name of the palette is called? Kiss the Whole Ass palette. Oh, sorry. Kiss this whole ass. Anyway, oh my God, you can check her out and just look at the detail in the packaging, everything. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Anyway, you can check her out on her website is bestie.com. Instagram is Bestie Gang Collection. Email can be sent directly from website. Okay, so you guys can do all that. This is her business card. Check her out. She also has the my YouTube girl with grill. Not mistaken, I follow her and subscribe to her as well. You guys, get you some life because I am lit. You hear me?